Prepare for space exploration as a crew of scientists declares a beautiful discovery. The superstar Betelgeuse, the captivating pink supergiant that hugs Orion's shoulder, has suffered a celestial explosion. This is no mere bet. Inside the next decade, or possibly a few decades, the magnificent aftermath will light up the night sky. The question is, how did scientists come to this claim? Need we be concerned? Will the James Webb Space Telescope be capable of capture the remains of Betelgeuse? These days, we embark on an exploration of the maximum recent developments. Betelgeuse, a distinguished star inside the Northern Hemisphere's winter night-time sky, is a pink supergiant. It sticks out as one of the uncommon stars whose orange-crimson color is discernible to the bare eye. Normally the 10th brightest star, Betelgeuse has variable brightness, a feature due to its tremendous size. In other words, changing our solar with Betelgeuse could extend its attain all of the way to the asteroid belt with an extraordinary 20 instances the mass of our Sun. Enormously young, Betelgeuse is envisioned to be between 8 and 10 million years old, in stark contrast to our solar, which is around 4.6 billion years old. The rapid evolution of supermassive stars ends in speedy consumption of nuclear fuel and the prevalence of supernovae on geological timescales. Betelgeuse may also have passed through this modification right before our eyes. To apprehend the scientific claim approximately Betelgeuse's explosion, it is important to take a journey into its context. The tale starts in the 2nd century BC, while Chinese astronomers observed Betelgeuse's specific yellow color. Within the mid-2D century advert, the Greek-Roman astronomer Ptolemy described it as having an orange or reddish shade, just like its gift look. Medieval observers from the Center East additionally reported a similar color. Even as questions remain about beyond shade perceptions, a workable state of affairs emerges. Betelgeuse transformed from a yellow supergiant to a purple supergiant over numerous centuries. Given the herbal human predisposition to look at the nighttime sky, the probability of many unrecorded witnesses to these adjustments is high. The present unfolds with Betelgeuse as a variable superstar that famous cyclical behavior. In December 2019, a pointy decrease in its brightness became determined by using pro-astronomers earlier than returning to ordinary in early 2020. One concept is that coincident cycles brought on an unheard-of decline. However, observations from the Hubble Space Telescope showed a peculiar improvement. Betelgeuse ejected a massive quantity of burning material into area, forming a large dust cloud. The riddle of Betelgeuse calls to us, and we delve into the unfolding tale to decipher its mysteries. In response to the material expelled for the duration of the 2019 event, a huge dust cloud enveloped Betelgeuse, notably lowering its brightness as seen from our perspective. The really extremely good transformation saw Betelgeuse, as soon as ranked some of the 10 brightest stars in the nighttime sky, disappear and fall to 20th place. This decline, in stark evaluation to its neighbor Aldebaran, which ranks 14th in brightness, has left observers baffled. Fortunately, Betelgeuse has proven signs of healing. However, its unusual conduct continues. Betelgeuse is presently in an unusual state. Similarly to simply reducing in brightness, it has also skilled a great boom in brightness in current months, exceeding 50% of its common brightness. This annoying development is perplexing for a star recognized for its fluctuations. Even as the dimming activities will be due to dirt, conjunction cycles, or prominent sunspots, the substantial boom in brightness indicates something else completely. Its Miles concept that fabric expelled in the course of the 2019 event disrupted the star's plasma drift, doubtlessly causing the modern-day aftershock-like behavior. A widely debated conservative hypothesis posits that Betelgeuse may be approaching a supernova segment. Regardless of conservative estimates that a supernova occasion will arise in approximately 100,000 years, a latest scientific paper by using Hideyuki Seo and co-workers at Tohoku College in Japan demanding situations this view. The paper suggests that Betelgeuse has already passed through a supernova explosion and that we should see one within the subsequent 10 years or some decades. Evidence to aid this claim comes from a close examination of Betelgeuse's variability patterns. The researchers recognized 4 distinct periodic adjustments that happened at intervals of about 2,420, 230, and 185 days. Whilst the beginning of the longer period is unknown, it's far considered the baseline period, with the shorter periods possibly as nuances. The proposed version shows that Betelgeuse is in a complicated carbon-burning segment, suggesting and drawing close astounding explosion, positioning it as a leading candidate for the next anticipated supernova event in our galaxy, the Milky Manor. Solving the thriller of Betelgeuse, but is like fixing a puzzle with conflicting observations of the ejection and subsequent recovery. The general consensus is that it changed into a big ejection occasion, a phenomenon not absolutely remarkable for lots distinctive sorts of stars, albeit on a scale smaller than our Sun. Large supernovae, however, are a specific reality. The last determined in our galaxy due to the fact Kepler's supernova inside the 1600s. Regardless of the ability for imprecise estimates of Betelgeuse's timing, warning is suggested earlier than making any unique plans around this celestial event. Including to the complexity, Betelgeuse is currently tough to look at as it has moved at the back of the Sun and will no longer be visible once more till at the least August. Whilst the cutting-edge pastime of this mysterious famous person stays obscure, its tendency to embellish irregularly is in particular putting. The tremendous size and relative distance of Betelgeuse, approximately 650 miles away, lets in us to parent a disk when gazing it, a unique gain over maximum stars that appear as easy factors of light due to their greater distance. With Betelgeuse, we've the particular opportunity to without delay capture the variations in its mild flux through photography. Imagining the scenario of Betelgeuse's present process a supernova, it promises to be quite a sight. Reassuringly, this cosmic occasion poses no chance to Earth because of Betelgeuse's massive distance. Even though the supernova will now not shine brighter than the Moon or Sun, it's going to forge a shadow at nighttime and remain seen at some stage in the day for about a year. The supernova's brightness will persist at night for several years, then fade. Although brightness may increase for a brief time frame, the acquainted megastar inside the constellation Orion will in the end disappear. While the supernova won't damage us, it may disrupt some organisms that depend on light from the Moon to transport. This celestial occasion will pose challenges for astronomy, especially on moonlit nights. No matter the ability headaches, the telescope will probably prioritize taking pictures the supernova's afterglow, even if adjustments are wished. Warning signs consisting of the detection of neutrinos and gravitational waves will arise before the visible explosion, giving astronomers a chance to put together their units. As for whether the James Webb Area Telescope, JWST, will observe the Betelgeuse remnant, unluckily, the Webb Space Telescope has now not been so fortunate. The megastar's excessive brightness makes it flawed for JWST, that is designed to detect faint items in area. Betelgeuse's infrared depth, that is extensively brighter than the JWST saturation limit, makes it incompatible with direct remark. Despite JWST's limitations, other observatories, each at the ground and in area, are eagerly anticipating the possibility to seize this cosmic spectacle. The aftermath of Betelgeuse's supernova will be the situation of in-depth clinical examine, comparable to that of the Crab Nebula, the remnant of an 11th century supernova. The post-supernova situation for Betelgeuse depends on the quantity of cloth left behind that can cause the formation of a neutron superstar or maybe a black hole. Even as Betelgeuse's instability is obvious, its floor does now not monitor activity deeper in its core. It's far nonetheless unclear whether or not the big name is about to head supernova or if it's going to return to its regular cycle. Different fashions advise that the explosion might not arise for tens of lots of years. In the long run, most effective time will display Betelgeuse's authentic destiny, highlighting the ever-changing nature of the night sky and the impermanence of stars within the sizable universe. Let us continue to admire the wonders of the cosmos and embody the mysteries that unfold over each short and long timescales. As we ponder the capability explosion of Betelgeuse, we're reminded of the majesty and unpredictability of the universe, inspiring us to appearance up and respect the cosmos and its dynamic splendor. Beyond Betelgeuse, the James Webb Space Telescope exhibits the cosmos like by no means earlier than. JWST has performed a vital position in revolutionizing our know-how of the universe. It allows us to explore the depths of the universe and discover something truly first-rate: 770 galaxies and a black hole. Test this photograph from Stephan's quintet, 5 interacting galaxies. Be part of us as we delve deeper into this discovery and what it approach for us and the universe. What we are witnessing is a telltale sign, the chemical fingerprint of water vapor in these atmospheres. Equipped with 5BF1289BDB38B4A575 4C435C7E4AA1C scientific contraptions, JWST meticulously observes the universe throughout multiple wavelengths. Its primary mirror is extra than 6.5 meters in diameter, surpassing that of its predecessor, the Hubble Area Telescope. This large replicate allows JWST to collect and attention light from remote celestial objects with exceptional precision and sensitivity. The telescope's suite of contraptions and device consists of a powerful close-to-infrared camera, a near-infrared spectrometer, a mid-infrared tool, and a complicated steering sensor. Every of those contraptions enhances JWST's potential to capture certain photographs and spectral statistics, revealing the complex information of stars, galaxies, and exoplanets. The use of its unprecedented competencies, JWST has determined 770 galaxies in the early universe. This quantity is a long way more than what the venerable Hubble Space Telescope has captured within the equal vicinity of area. The importance of those findings cannot be overstated. These newly discovered galaxies fashioned inside the first billion years after the massive bang, making them some of the oldest regarded systems within the universe. They offer vital insights into the cosmic formation method and the evolution of the universe. The telescope's potential to study gadgets at exquisite distances in area and time lets in us to look at the earliest epochs of the universe. This first-rate discovery will probably monitor new details about the formation and evolution of galaxies, supporting us get to the bottom of the mysteries of cosmic evolution. JWST is extra than only a telescope. It's far a time device that takes us returned to the beginning of the universe. This particular capacity has opened new avenues of clinical studies and shed light on some of the maximum fundamental questions about the cosmos. JWST's potential to locate exoplanets and represent their atmospheres is especially exciting. Its touchy devices can reveal the presence of water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, and different important molecules in the atmospheres of distant worlds, raising the possibility of finding signs and symptoms of habitability or even life past our solar device. Further to exploring galaxies and exoplanets, JWST plays a critical position in analyzing black holes. Black holes are some of the maximum mysterious and enigmatic gadgets within the universe, and JWST's superior units provide vital insights into their nature and behavior. Through looking at the regions around supermassive black holes at the facilities of galaxies, JWST will assist scientists understand how those cosmic giants shape, grow, and engage with their surroundings. This information is vital to unraveling the complex interplay between black holes and the galaxies that host them. The sizable and tricky universe well known shows its mysteries via the eager eyes of JWST. This groundbreaking observatory stands at the leading edge of area exploration, revolutionizing our information of the cosmos and shaping the future of astronomy. The discoveries made by way of JWST mark a crucial leap forward in humanity's quest to free up the secrets and techniques of the universe and encourage generations to return to explore the wonders of space. In summary, the James Webb Space Telescope is a testament to human ingenuity and clinical excellence. Its unrivaled abilities are advancing our expertise of the universe in exceptional ways. From discovering historical galaxies to characterizing distant exoplanets and studying the mysteries of black holes, JWST's contributions to astronomy are clearly transformative. As we maintain to discover the cosmos via the lens of JWST, we can be confident that extra interesting discoveries and breakthroughs are on the horizon.